Hola, hola, I'm Désirée Iturbide, and today I'm going to show you how to draw tulips using geometric shapes. We will start by making a tulip that has not opened yet. So, it's the simplest one. I'm going to make an oval, and then I'm going to draw two lines close to each other. This is the stem. This oval, I'm going to do two lines close to each other, one here and one here, and then we have the inner petals that are just showing here. So this is just a bud, it's not open. Second, I'm going to do one that is a little bit more open, so I'm going to do one oval, two ovals. Tulips have 6 petals, so I'm going to make 6 ovals like this. They are pretty close to each other, and now I'm going to start drawing the lines a little bit darker so that I can see this is one petal, and I'm going to do the other outer petal here. Then I'm going to draw one here, and there's the one that I can only see the tips here, and then the lines for the stems like this. And now I'm going to draw one that is totally open. So I'm going to do one here. Okay, this is maybe too much. One here, one here, one here. In this case, I'm only able to see 4 petals. I'm looking at the picture right now. I'm not inventing this. So here comes one petal. This one is here, and I can see like the 2 sides of the petal, because kind of folded like this. Then I have this one, and the last one is similar to this one, that I can see the outer side and the inner side. And now I just do these lines, and there you go. To see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell below. That way, you will be the first to know when I publish a new video. And there are lots of them to come on a regular basis.